What's up, guys? John from johnmcneil.com here. And over the years, I've actually talked to a lot of people that are just starting out with their affiliate marketing business. So like complete beginners. And one of their main goals or one of their first milestones that they want to hit is actually to make $100 per day. All right, guys, so I wanted to jump into my ClickBank account really quick just to show you guys that I did generate $101.24 within a 24-hour period. You can see it here. I will go ahead and refresh the account a couple times so you see that it is real. So that is $100 in a 24-hour period. Now, there's actually two different ways that you can actually go about making $100 a day, and I'm going to be showing you two different models that you can actually deploy in your business if that indeed is something that you want to do, earn $100 per day. So I'm going to break down exactly what you need to have if you want to achieve that, and then the two models that you can actually follow in order to actually make that $100 per day. So stick around, we're starting right now. All right, guys, so let's going to get started. So the first thing we're going to be talking about is model one. So this is the first model that you can actually use in order to generate $100 per day. So let's always start off with traffic. So you're always going to start off with traffic, and let's just say, you're going to take that traffic and it's going to go to a squeeze page. So we're going to put SP for squeeze page. And then you can even have a thank you page here or a bridge page if you want to go ahead and warm them up for the offer. So let's put BP for bridge page. And then you can actually just send them to the money page or the affiliate offer, right? And then, so let's just put affiliate offer here. And, if they purchase, then you're actually going to make money. So one of the key points to this first model is basically selling low ticket products that have upsells. So essentially what this could be is this could be an affiliate offer here. And this product can range anywhere from, let's just say, $7 to $17. So you can make $7 to $17, say, on the front end, and maybe you get 100% commissions. But then how you can actually add that up to be 100 is most of the products that you can sell will have upsells, right? So there may be an upsell 1, there may be an upsell 2, there may be an upsell 3, there may be an upsell 4. So there could be $37 here you can make. This could be $97. This could be $197. And this could be, I don't know, maybe a high ticket webinar can be $497. You can make commissions on that. So essentially what you're doing is you're just going to be taking the traffic and you're taking them through this whole process here in which you can actually make some front-end sales, because again, everybody's not going to purchase every single product in the funnel. They may purchase the front-end sale, maybe they may purchase one or two of the upsells, but the idea is you want to try to average out to where you can make $100 a day with maybe a couple of the front end sales as well as some of the back end sales. Now, this is a pretty cool way to actually make money, because when you're here with this front end sale, a lot of people find these type offers irresistible. These offers that somewhere between $7 and $17. It's so cheap so that it's easy to actually convert a lot of these buyers. So you'll have a lot of people, say on Warrior Plus, creating products, and they range them from $7 to maybe $27. And then of course, there's multiple upsells that you actually can purchase, or your leads can purchase, that can actually average out to be a lot more than $100. So even if you're making just one or two sales per day, if those one or two sales are purchasing something for $17, $37, or $97, you can easily make your $100 per day. Even if they don't buy any upsells at all, and you're selling multiple, say maybe $27 or $17 front end offers, you can still get to that $100 per day. Obviously, you're gonna have to sell a lot more or a little bit more in order to make it to the $100 per day, but it's definitely something that is viable, and it's a easy model to get set up and deploy, because again, like I said, these offers for $7 and $17. They're so irresistible. And these vendors that create these products, they have these slick copywriting skills, and they know how to basically convert traffic into buyers because of, their copywriting and how they create their products. So this is a real easy model that you could get started with. I actually teach this model in the Super Affiliate Hack, which is a free course that you guys can get access to. I actually show you how to create all of this, but I actually show you a hack in this model so that it makes things a lot easier for you to get set up and running very quickly. Plus, I show you how to really maximize on all of these commissions in here, right? So that's the model one. And again, if you're interested in that model, you should check out my Super Affiliate Hack course. It'll be in the link in the description, and it's absolutely free. All right, so let's look at model two. So model two is basically similar to model one, but the difference is you're going to be selling, higher ticket products. So let's just start off with traffic. And then let's say you have a squeeze page here, SP for squeeze page. And then you're going to go to like maybe a bridge page, or this could also double as like a training hub or something like that. So let's just say a hub. And then people will access your thank you page, people access your hub, and then eventually they'll get to some sort of offer, right? And then this offer can range between, making, let's say, $100 to, let's say, $500. And so then when you have a product that you can actually make $100 or $500 per sale, then you only have to make one sale, right? So basically that's what I did when you saw my ClickBank results. Was I sold a product that I was able to generate $100 commission. A lot of people will tell you that it takes the same amount of effort to sell a low ticket product just as if you were trying to sell a mid or high ticket product. So that's why a lot of marketers are teaching people to sell a higher ticket product, because in the end, you only have to make one or two sales to probably get your goal. Like even if you're selling a product that you get a $50 commission, well, now you only have to sell two of those a day. Or if you're selling one that you're making a $100 commission, you only have to sell one a day. So if you're going to be out marketing and you're going to be getting traffic here, would you want to sell one product a day? Or would you want to do model two where you're selling, could be 4 or 5 products to get to your $100 goal? So that's really up to you to determine. So it really depends on what you want to do in your affiliate marketing business. It depends on what you're selling, what type of products you're selling, the audience that you're targeting. So it all just depends on what you're doing. Nothing is wrong with either model, right? Nothing is wrong with either model. In fact, like I said, I do teach model one in my Super Affiliate Hack course, where I'll show you as a beginner, if you're just getting started, how to start making the low ticket sales and then inch your way up and 4 times your results. But then there's also this other model where you're kind of starting out and you are going to be able to sell kind of higher ticket products, but then you only have to make one sale a day. Now, the key to selling these type of products here for like $100, where you get a $100 commission or a $500 commission, the big word is right here. It's the V word, and that's value. Because when you're selling a $7 product, when you're buying a $7 product, you're not going to get like tons and tons of value. Even though some of these products are good, a lot of them are a little shaky in terms of value and content. But then you're like, well, I only paid $7 for it. What do I expect? So when you're buying, some of these higher ticket products, you want to definitely make sure that whatever you're promoting, that it gives you immense value and it gives you everything that that person might need to get to their desired result, right? So you want to make sure that it's giving a lot of value, because if it is giving a lot of value, it's going to make your job much easier to actually make those $100 sales per day. And just think about it, guys. If you could just get your funnel together and you can get your system together and you have your product, how easy it is just to make one sale a day. You just focus on that one goal of selling one product a day. If I sell one product a day, I can make my $100. And for a lot of people, that $100 per day goal, if you're making $100 a day, that may free you up from your day job, or it just may really supplement your income and make things a lot more easier. It could help you pay down debt. It could help you take vacations. It could help you buy nicer cars or nicer homes. It can do a lot for you. And again, it's not as difficult as people think it is. It's just having the right setup, having the right funnel, getting trained on traffic and conversions. So these are all things that, if you are brand spanking new, you should definitely try to invest some time and energy into actually learning how to do these things. Now, I'll actually also have some training, some free affiliate marketing training that I think, bar none, is just some of the best I've ever seen. And you're actually being able to get that for free. I actually have a link in the description for some free training that you can actually get. It'll actually show you how to set up this whole model where you can actually start generating $100 a day or more in your affiliate marketing business. So guys, make sure you check that out in the link in the description. And I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you hit that like button if you did, and I will see you guys on the next video. Peace.